Actually, I love it so much. I have two, and I'll explain why here in a second. Hard to get excited about a bucket. It's from OXO, and of course their product design is just amazing, and this product, you know, it doesn't disappoint. Starters, if you can see down there at the bottom, it has like quarter cup, half cup, and 1 cup markings, and that's for the detergent, which for me is always fabuloso. I love this stuff. All right, but that is another review. Once you pour the detergent in, so it's like a quarter cup of detergent for every 1 gallon, depending on where you are in the world, you know, maybe you use liters, maybe you use gallons, but it has liter markings coming up the side. I hope you can see that. And then gallon marking coming up this side. I have to sit there and get something else to measure. I can do all of that right here in this bucket. Sometimes don't stop there. This is the pour spout. So once I'm done with it and I'm walking it outside to dump it out, because it's not a standard round bucket, I don't have water, you know, splashing out everywhere because it's so wide. To that end, it's about 17 inches this way and about 10.5 inches this way and about 12 inches tall. And this is what the bottom looks like if you care about those kinds of things. And it has those pour handles on both sides. So if you're a righty or a lefty, doesn't matter. This carry handle, which is like padded, like it's kind of has this little comfort grip here. Oh, don't get me started. This is so when you have it sitting like this or between mopping sessions, you can put the mop here, you know, stick the mop in here, and this will hold the mop in the bucket. I mean, my mind was blown. I have two. Let me show you why. Two. And if you'll see, this one has little markings. We call her Dirty Girl. Silly, but the reason why I have two of them is when we're mopping, which by the way, this is my mop of choice. I love this thing. For perspective to show you, this mop fits in here perfectly. Then that we have two of them is, so what I'll do is I'll put the Fabuloso and the clean water in this one. And then this is where we wring the dirty water. So everybody has their weird way of cleaning. This is mine. I can't stand the thought of like taking dirty and clean water and just going over my, I can't deal with that. Water in the Fabuloso in this one. So before I start mopping, I'll dip my mop, wring it, because there's no dirt on it, right? I've mopped a section of the floor. I will wring what is now dirty water into this one and dip it in here to get clean detergent, and then wring it over here one more time to get rid of the excess water. That way I'm not kind of cross-contaminating between dirty water, clean water, because that just grosses me out. And another thing I love about these buckets, okay, because you know, guys, these are not small, but look, see, because these little ridges here, what? They stack. I use these for everything from cleaning shoes and tie-dyeing shirts in here. Because they're so big and just amazing. Wash your delicates in here. Like, we use these things all the time. They're not like those plasticky buckets that you buy from certain stores that, you know, they break and you rebuy them. No, this is like, you buy it, you have it for life, you give it to your kids one day type of situation. Find yourselves in the market for a bucket for whatever reason, doesn't matter. This is the bucket to beat. We found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.